trip. We are going normal, yeah?
How when he starts singing?
No, you go keep on. And look for your mother. And then you go tell daddy. And the rest of us, burn out.
Action.
It's creative. Ready? Breaking news. What's the breaking news? Nobody cares. Right? Nobody cares. Nobody cares about me, nobody cares about you. Cares about themselves and what they're gonna do. Me not know lyrics, but me I try to.
Mob.
Flop.
Mob.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome a day in a live. We're there in studio in Jammiwood City. So yeah, Paradise Nation Entertainment. It's about Alton. Oh, I'm thinking dead. So yeah, we're there in the studio today about to start shoot. Who Need Enemies? Yeah, new movie. Who Need Enemies? That's the movie we're working on now. So when we see what go on, and so subscribe, like, share, comment.
Pull your wallet. What is it? So you start shoot me and shoot him. Yeah, that's toughest thing.
I'm gonna shoot you, sir.
Yo, hold this, sir. Hold this, sir.
Papa, hold this camera now, brother. Hold the camera now.
I saw an angel. I can't hold the camera.
Come on, man. Carry water. Hold this, man. Hold it. It's a record now. It's a record.
An angel. In heaven. Oh, did God send it down here? Did God send it down here? Yeah. Oh, says you I'm recording driving. Me a puppy show? Hold the camera.
Dog!
Who press it, man?
Yeah, you
It's a record.
You see? Give me some.
Brother, go on my youth. This is like when they rested in there.
Give me
What
some.
is it?
Yo, give me some.
It's a record.
Yo, give me some, my youth.
So,
Yo, Maya, tap go answer that.
so yes, people.
Tap go answer that. Give me some. Yo, give me some, give me some.
Hold on, man. You hear that?
Where's the now, Karen?
Come on now. Yo, hold this now.
Hold on, I'm growing on the next side.
So yeah, people, a day in the life with Alton. And you know, we're there at studio, an idea. And we are shoot. You understand? Yeah, see Akeem around there, so.
Alright, so we're to Alton.
Yeah, go. Yo!
Catch your soldier.
We got Duns River.
Tiffy! Hold on there. Tiffy, come here.
Catch Tiffy, I come look up. Gas man.
Big up on yourself.
Real military man.
Yeah, man, big
That's
up on
a no
yourself.
movement.
No movements.
Come here, go ahead. What I shop front there, right?
Yeah. Papa, you can drive?
So,
What kind of stupid question?
early morning settings, no shooting.
Brother, at
start.
midday.
But you know, I go and get somebody behind the scene. Arab vlog, we're just calling it.
Yeah, we're vlogging today because
John must start, perfect timing. So, how has the experience been so far, Si?
It's been good.
Been good?
Okay.
Wonderful.
you know Si's from Brooklyn, right?
From who?
She's
I'm
from
not from Brooklyn.
she's from Brooklyn.
I'm not from Brooklyn. But
Her voice is from Brooklyn.
Yeah, my voice from Brooklyn.
Yeah.
It's nobody.
If this beef shot in the dark in the corner really means nothing to me, I ride by and blow your brains out. No time to pack it, no way you can stop if the niggas run up on me with them things out.
Gotta bang bang.
Do what you get.
Spite
You give me that rap kind of vibe. If you
Yeah, water!
Gotcha.
No water?
No water. And I see people in like a bar.
I say going to be a star there.
Come.
My camera can't point over there so today.
So yeah, we're at the Spy Tech location. We're grabbing some water. Yeah. You know the government locked me down, but give thanks to Spy Tech. We'll be able to get some water. If not, we'll be dead in for thirst. So this is a Spy Tech establishment here in Negril on the roadside. There's this van here you can take picture.
Hey,
Eh?
the government died.
Oh no sir, no, that's today no Saturday man. Today no Saturday. So carry up on the road today Saturday. Hey, the government. Hey, so this is the place. When you come and get things on the road, just stop. So the big red van out there, so you can tap and take picture today. It's a part of the wall thing in the grill. Take some picture and go on normal.
I mean, yeah, but people gave me trouble because I was so cute, you know? So it was hard. It was hard to make friends with my friends and stuff. So people used to try and get under my skin, and I only got into like 2 fights though, 2 or 3.
You ever been to jail?
Yeah, yes.
Jaja, driver Alton, taking us back around to Jammiwood City.
Yeah.
Then bleach out with.
We need a new car now, people. Anybody wanna sponsor us a new car?
What you think? You do that powerful? You can get one car, somebody doing it.
I mean, people.
On Tesla?
Chris,
You can donate on Tesla?
Oi! Boy! Set the camera good, boy! Boy! Top look, boy! Set the camera good.
Bro, them.
Yeah, no, look.
I don't know if people like that.
Like your style. Like your style.
So, time hot people, that's why I'm sweat down
I
the
feel
place.
the one there.
You just drive, you buy one bottle of water and come back. Them drive, you buy one bottle of water. You just...
It's like the focus gone, real.
Papa, you hold your screen out of focus, brother.
What's your name?
We catch you back. Come here to the screen.
It's an autofocus. Just press the button.
So really starting bike, couldn't start?
I push him man for push and jump. Man, just in fact, you know, man, just jump, run and push it.
Back at Jammiwood.
And jump start it.
When it done.
Go on now, man.
The whole hand now lock me close to you all. Oh, I have space. Thank you, sir.
So yes, people, here in Jammiwood City is nothing normal. We would be dead in for thirst because of the government, and we're tourists in our own island. Alright.
But then like I see him jump, then he's back over.
Then that them do them just rinse it out, brother.
When so you know that them to do?
Hot water. Hot water.
Yes, sir.
How will you check out previous videos?
Teefy. Yes, man. Teefy. Come here.
They can freestyle? Have anything written down, rap? They can freestyle?
You may know if it's started, because I know you have to use skis.
Them both freestyle.
You know you don't use skis. You know
Steve who started.
Anytime people put me on the spot like that, like a bunch of songs come in my head one time, it jumbles me all up. But, alright.
Alright, give me an acapella.
I pop my shit, I got rich quick, I pull that trigger, that bullet gon' hit. Niggas said they want smoke, but they really wanted bricks. Now they look at me amazed like they ain't know what it is. Through the rain, wind, snow, anywhere they get the bread up. I can't trust the soul, just to be in my love editor. Turn my back on my little sister, mate, know that I can never have these dudes out here really be moving like some heifer. So I switch your game, my love, stack the best like do the hef. Nope, we don't need nobody, we can't take no sorries. Girl was fine, I told her meet me right there in the lobby. And we might get strikes, so I can't go too far. Hey.
Alright. We might get strikes with you. You have to be careful how we go with it.
It's a rap battle. Sure, man, 8 mile a while ago.
8 Mile, who names it? A movie name 8 Mile?
You want to fill him in?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Oh, I don't really watch movies like that.
Oh, man.
I don't really watch movies like that, but say it.
You probably watch it, but don't know the name.
This is Sai, OG,
Out here.
Ultra, you see me? And we here, we're going in normal, you see me? She's a rapper, so give me a piece of rapping again now. My name is Alton, I'm from Jamaica, and I'm a rapper. And my name is, me know no lyrics, but me can't sing.
Yeah, got a voice.
Alright. You might come and shoot up.
Free ad.
I get some call from man. They want to call them and keep somebody. Somebody said you call today. Bunny down. You gone there?
What we are doing today, yo?
What we always do? We always make history. Making movie. We're talking about what go on in the world. Everybody alright? Big up on yourself. Live and live in color. I wish BTS is here.
Paradise Nation, man.
How come? Anyway. Make it go. Yeah, man, Paradise Nation. Boy, I've been lazy for how long. Boy, say I come back and work now, so you know I get some content, you know what I mean? So what one of the talk to him, you know what I mean? Because I'm entertain, you know. So when the fans can talk to him and tell him what to do. Because maybe there's something you guys want to see where him no know, so no want to see it. So talk to him and tell him, you know what I mean?
True,
as long as you're part of the nation,
True.
put in some dedication. You know what I mean? And give them some education. You know what I mean? Burn it down, too much frustration. Burn it down.
Alright. Yo, Tiffy, man, I help him start a bike. Take a minute now. Which movie? Which movie?
Lockdown.
Oh.
Part 2.
That's stuff for them.
Watch it. That last one over there.
Watch Alton. Shoot me shooting you. This is weird.
Tiffy, come in!
Alright, yo, come. Go show the people them good man. Is it a record?
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you good man. Come on. Let's take it to good man. One of the best. Yeah. And she's a chef business.
This something boil over, so you must expect
Music.
Yeah, man.
The music here.
He had
Lock up music.
in the light.
Turn off the gas. Turn off the gas.
Alright. Candy, might not kill yourself, you know, candy.
Are you out there?
Oh, alright. Let him go. Alright now, yes.
You know, say no problem with me. No.
Think.
And because this didn't boil over all the time, and you know, no see, so if you go and turn off the stove, jackass.
Alright, so we're talking. This is Candy, original chef. She's looking about my. Well, both me.
Rastaman food.
What is Rastaman food?
Yeah, but kind of Rastaman food, me
Yeah.
have to tell you one me I do.
Check if you gas and see
This a sip, this a sip.
Wait, you sick? Oh.
Sip, boy, sick.
Oh, a sip?
Yes.
Rastaman sip?
Yeah, sip.
Alright.
Sip. Sip with
Selassie, I
coconut
know.
milk and everything.
Selassie, I know.
Yeah, man.
Nah, man.
So if you're a Rasta, no Alton, don't deal with me.
Me Rasta, man. Me can't put on it.
If you're not
Me have a
veg,
wig.
come
Me
in
have a
the
wig.
kitchen.
Me have a wig.
What? Oh, yeah, go on out of you.
Me have a wig.
When you eat though, it's not a vegetarian.
Oh.
When you eat daddy.
Me a vegetarian, brother.
Stop saying like daddy.
Brother.
Alright.
Fish meat, brother.
Red fish.
Yeah.
Fish and meat.
No.
Alright. Bunny dog.
Yeah, ready.
Popeye. Yeah, and Popeye a virgin, but we want one girl for you though, but it's rough.
You want one girl?
We want one girl for you.
You know what?
No, you want one girlfriend and
Richie.
Popeye set you up.
You know, good for you have something so close to your face, you know, back there.
Funny girl. Alright, but shoot for your part first, and then
I'll get anybody with you.
then you just go for one girl, you come throw down, and then you and Popeye have a conversation. You want the girl?
Hey, you want no? Me have been to be told you done.
No. Soldier gonna shoot you, but I dead.
Yeah, that's soldier, not normal, you know.
Ready?
Ready. Come in.
No move. You see it, fire.
Burn it down to the ground.
Ground. You want to light the place here now, is it?
Mm-hmm.
If you don't like the place here now, so they want to light the place here now. Just in case.
Some of them, man, only in a Richard Brown films, I see them sitting here, you know. Jammiwood, you know, burn it down to the ground, you know. So them one,
Show him what I go on. Richard, bro. Show him what I go on.
Acha. I don't know normal. Eh? Man, they not normal, boy, man.
Nothing good, brother.
I'm happy to see this some of their life right now, you know.
Keisha.
Keisha. But the other while they go call the soldier. I say, murder down here, we don't know what kill the people down here. We don't know what kill the people down here, you know. I'm best friend, she want the girl, second best friend. So I give friend the gun. Right, you know, say I come. Yeah, we don't extra late, man. Give a gun. Give man the gun. So I don't come out. Shoot the man now in the
Boy, Mega, you couldn't budge. Mega, you couldn't budge.
Couldn't budge our ass, because I'm a biker.
I don't want to have him in there. Where Popeye? Hey, boy, Popeye.
man there. Beat him to me.
Hey, one Popeye. Him some of them. You know? Okay. Sure.
Papa,
Alright.
that road, you're far.
Don't already know.
You get
No, cha. You remember Papa and Alan? Two and a friend. And Brutus. Yeah. But there's a girl when one.
And the girl, that's my girl.
I feel girl. So much I set you up, so you go you call the police, call the soldier upon you. Say yeah, murder. I'm not killing people because they are murder some people around here. You know what I mean? As the soldier come now, you know the soldier come in Gigo. So what you want to say? I keep off going on the corner. As a group, as you have an answer, police come on fire and shoot you.
Oh, yeah.
You don't go there, you survive the door. Because they get the shot to go run after the soldier. And survive, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But you're not going to know time I set you up smartly, you know.
No, man, me understand.
Your officer is give full.
No, me understand, yeah.
Yeah.
You go give me, now when me give me a
One
go
person
and
can hold
call
up
the soldier come for me.
Yeah, when the guy yard,
Hold on now,
when the police shoot you, you know, by the guy yard, you know, you don't go tell them and say dead, you know. One long in the room and I chap 10. You understand? So it can work.
Alright, where we are going to start the scene from here? Yeah, sure.
Where do you live?
Huh?
Where they live?
No matter about them live, the girl come over, we have your house over there so we can use sex speak, but if you get the girl, so you never got the yard, you can't get anywhere. For that senior, the senior plus there one place for they can grow on corner. You know, no matter what party there. He right to say can, you know we can.
Alright, pass
Ready to person. Come in, Papa.
So yeah, so this is the BTS or friends like these. So you know, you see what I'm going to see. Shoot the BTS now. Me I go shoot her now. So you know, we see what I'm going. You understand? So remember, subscribe, like, share, comment. Subscribe to Richard Brown Films. We almost there. 95,000 subscribers for Richard Brown Films. Yeah, so keep subscribing, share what I want. You understand? Yeah. You know, it's just one love. Which one?
Yeah. What's the knock, man? I feel blood clot.
Yo! Bad boy!
Black there, car black. Black there, black.
Yeah.
Music! Music!
Turn it down, where black there? Where are they then?
So bright, man.
I want to shoot something else. Some pop. Oh yeah, that good.
Yeah,
Black there.
respect. Respect.
Can you have a link him today, no?
Leave him.
Then come dig him up. I'm not shoot one fast right there, so, but he say one night, that's why I call him, can you have a link him. I'm just ready. You can run in, man. Ah.
Rasta, one piece sight, you know. And not normal. So this is where we're shooting today. It's an abandoned place. Just be careful. You could have swear on JC.
What's there?
On J.
Yeah, man, we live in the house, that boy, man. Alright, so where do you know? Papa, no.
Alright, me a call him Papa. Something up, is it that somebody links money?
No, I'm not.
Alright, Papa.
So yeah. It's
Papa,
not...
come on, son, man. Come on, let's go start. We're going to go far. Long shoot. Turn, man.
Ready?
Turn over.